girlfriend. Can I have a kissy? Good morning, everybody. Today we're taking Mia to a park that she's never been to before, and I'm hoping that it is not too late in the day because it's almost, I think it's about 11 o'clock in the morning and it's a hot day. So hopefully the stuff is not too hot for her to play on. I did bring a towel for the slide just in case, but I don't know. Hopefully it's not too hot.
I need money.
We're on our way there now.
Money.
And Mia says she needs money. She knows that I keep change right here. But the other day she was putting money in her mouth, so we ain't doing that anymore.
She needs money.
No, you don't need any money.
Money. I need die.
You need to drive. I think I'll drive today. Is that okay? Okay. This morning we woke up to a cold water situation. Our hot water heater pilot light went out, and so I had to learn how to do that this morning because Bob had to go to work. I think he was running a little bit late, or he didn't want to be late, so he didn't light it. He just took a cold shower. So I had to learn how to do it myself. I did do it, and then I texted him and told him that I did it, and then he didn't check his text messages, so he went out there and turned it off again so that he could do it because he didn't know that I did it. So yeah, that's why I haven't washed my hair today. It looks like crap.
Mom.
But anyway, we're on our way to the park, and we will see you guys there. Stand right.
Ha.
Ah,
Straight. And you dinner?
what?
Are you dinner?
Where?
Are you dinner?
I'm in here. Be
Ha.
careful.
Ha. Straight spot. Ha.
Ah.
Real.
Oh, girlfriend. Can I have a kissy?
I will climb. That one.
You can climb over here. You want me to show you where to climb? Let's go this way.
Ha.
You're a big girl. I've got animal crackers, banana. You want banana? Okay, finish that cracker and I'll open the banana. And it has some PBJ. Are you having fun?
Yeah. What else you got?
Well, that's it, babe. Mama will hold it. Please, I want some. That was a big bite.
Okay, me?
Let me have one more bite and then you can have it. So anyways, I just sat down to edit some videos and I was feeling a little bit hungry from being at the park, and I made this healthy snack, or at least I think it's healthy, and I want to show it to you guys because it's really, really good, and I think it's a great alternative to chips. And so, yeah, here it is. I peeled a cucumber. This is a whole cucumber, and I peeled it, cut it in half, and then I did half coins with a little bit of pepper, salt, and lime juice, and I think it's so good. So if you guys are looking for a healthy snack option, this is delicious, and I think you should try it. I came outside to test the pool because Bob's about to go for a run, and then whenever he gets back, I want to go swimming, and so I wanted to test it. And I came out here with Mia, just put a dry, nice and clean dress on her, and then she does this. Mia, what are you doing?
This.
Did you go swimming?
I get salmon too.
You're gonna go
Can you
swimming
say
too?
YOLO? Say YOLO. Mia, go. Mia,
Wow.
say YOLO.
Wow.